Oregon, we solve real-world problems through engineering innovation. Our collaborative teams take opportunities from the earliest stages of idea conception through production. We integrate multiple engineering competencies, creating a place where ideas can be tested quickly, supporting rapid product development. It starts by framing the problem, asking what if. We research and define the issue we're trying to solve. Through iterative ideation, we execute multiple quick trials of our solutions and identify what adds the most value to the design. Taking design a step closer to reality, we use advanced test capabilities, using controlled simulation to validate function and mimic real-world use. After validation, we optimize our designs in ways that wouldn't be possible without innovative tools that allow the visualization of critical processes and stresses. Prototyping brings design to life and confirms the new product will function as intended. Prototyping also helps assess production readiness and scale. What will it take to make one? What will it take to make 10,000? We use a variety of advanced tools to prototype our solutions efficiently, helping speed designs to market. Our prototypes go through thorough performance testing and even metallurgical analysis, using a full suite of tools to understand engineering questions relevant and critical to our customers. We go to great lengths to make sure the products we offer have the quality and function our customers need. At Oregon, we believe in engineering's pioneering spirit. We believe in listening, learning, and rolling up our sleeves together to create inspiring products that power through the toughest jobs.